is to do this. If you can see, this is my desk chair, which is this thing right here, my window, which is there, and then how the layout would be, but I switched it instead. Next wall. Okay, so now since I did this wall that's right next to me, I'll be focusing on that wall, which in my original plan, let's see in my book again, is to, since I'm gonna do fairy lights on that wall, it's gonna look like this. So the fairy lights will be on here, and then this is my bed area, as you can see, this area, and then this is my window. So we're just gonna make that into reality. Just see. And I'll never let you go. On to the next wall. Alright, now for this wall, this is what I was planning for me to do on here. What's this? So what we got is the chest of drawers, which is this right here, and then my mirror, which is on the ground right there, and then my bed here. I wanted my mirror a little bit more higher where it is at the moment, and then you see this drawing right here. I'm gonna move it in the middle of my bed so you can see that. And then I'm gonna put some decorations around it as well, and by the mirror. But today I am not gonna put the mirror up because that will be needing some screws being drilled into the wall. So that's gonna be another thing. But yeah, the vision. Let's go. These are pictures that I will be putting. Yes. Period. There it is. And then there it is. Look how cute. What?
And I'll show you in the morning.